Columbus.
What's going on, guys? Back again with another good video. And today we're gonna be fixing a couple more things on the Z. So when we're working on the car, like I said in the last video. But anyways, we're driving. We're going to Nissan to go ahead and fix a couple things. My wheel bearing on the left rear is starting to get noticeably worse. I'm glad that my boys caught it while we were trying to figure out what was going on with my e-brake. Also need some new e-brake shoes or whatever they call them, or shoes, whatever. But we're on the way now to yeah, it doesn't feel weird. It feels weird when you hit a pull. It feels like it's trying to turn off to a different direction a little bit. But we're on the way there now to the shop. Not gonna be doing too much, you know, rowdy driving right now to all that situated. We also need to fix this mirror right here on this side of the car, because when I click this, it don't go down. It just clicks. So I got a window regulator and a new wheel bearing to do. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. It won't be nothing too crazy, and we'll see how everything goes today. Hopefully we don't have any weird issues or frustrations on the Z as it's done in the past. But yep, let's go ahead, let's get to it.
Here, let me get the jack.
All right. Don't laugh at me. It's gonna make noise. Oh, go nigga. He think he better get free eats. He finna put me in pain. Yo, finna put me in pain. I know you're not listening to music. Trying to put in some pain.
Shit look like something Diddy would use.
Whoa. Nope. Why would he use that? Please explain. What you mean Diddy gonna use this?
Man.
Go ahead, please. All bags. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, that thing was gonna fall off. That's nice. Oh shit, what is that? You on camera. What up, cuz?
Okay.
What up, cuz? Alright, we looking real cooked. That's not good. Oh well. Out with the old man. Look at that. Try to shake that guy. No Diddy. Look, we good. We good. Alright, I gotta go buy brakes. I forgot brakes. And then this decided to just detonate on me as we're taking it out. Like, it fell apart and everything. Like, come on, man. Can't have nothing. Always gotta buy extra stuff every time I do something. Alright, we on the way out. Huh? For who? Turn this way? I bet. Let me turn around. My monkey ass on.
It's the fastest way. Right there. Get in Florida. You like an hour in Florida. Boom, right there.
This is the moment of truth. See this window go down? Yeah, there you go.
Niggas need work. Niggas gotta pay.
We done. We done.
Put that dilly grease on it. That motherfucker.
And I caught you saying it too. Now, if I post it, don't be ashamed.
Put it on.
All right, we back in the coupe, the space coupe. Man, I don't got no more battery left for real. But everything's working fine. Everything's well. Window rolls down now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Done. So we all good now. Everything works. I'm happy. So unfortunately, we did have to replace that freaking, dang, I forgot what it's called, axle, when we were changing it. And well, putting in a new wheel bearing in, as soon as we took off the axle, it literally just fell apart. Like everything, like the top pad of it came off, the boot was destroyed, it's been leaking everywhere. So I went ahead and just went to O'Reilly's, pick up one real quick. Hopefully it lasts. I hope I don't have to buy another one. I mean, they have a warranty on them, so I mean, cool, whatever. We'll just keep replacing it as it goes on. But yeah, man, everything's good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wasn't too much of a POV drive, more of me just trying to get some things done on the Z. And if you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe. More content to come, especially during Gatlinburg. I'm gonna try to make it a little something special. So talk to you guys later. Jana.